Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find out the total number of vertices which a regular pyramid have. So before we proceed, we must know what is a rectangular pyramid. So rectangular pyramid is a 3D geometrical structure where the base is a rectangle and all the edges which rises from the base intersect at a particular point. So let this be the rectangular base of the pyramid. Now the edges which arises from the base intersect at a particular point. So it will be somewhat of this type. Okay. So this is a rectangular pyramid. So let's name the vertices. So A, B, C, D and E. So as you can see from the diagram, there are 5 vertices. So a rectangular pyramid have 5 vertices, and this will be our final required answer. So thank you and have a great day.